Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Bose has announced the newest addition to the truly wireless earbuds family, the Bose Sport Open Earbuds. It features a brand new design that sits above the ear canal using contoured ear hook and makes use of Bose's OpenAudio technology to play music and take calls. The IPX4 rated earbuds weigh just 14 grams each and slip around the user's outer ear ridge to firmly stay in place while maintaining minimal skin contact for improved comfort. Each earbud has a tiny dipole transducer placed in an enclosure that can play loud and clear personal audio, while maintaining minimal noise bleed. It has simple button controls built into each earbud for music playback, answering calls, and they also feature an advanced microphone array that can isolate the user's voice and remove external disturbances such as wind and other talking people. The earbuds connect via Bluetooth 5.1 and has a rated battery of 8 hours on a single charge. The Bose Sport Open Earbuds comes with a protective carrying case and charging base, and will be available for purchase starting mid-January for a price of $199.95, approximately Rs. 14,608, so friends. Expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.